To import income and expenses from your bank statement, first download your statement in one of the supported file formats discussed in the previous video. Then, from the File menu, select Import Bank Statement. The Import wizard will guide you through the entire process. First, choose the bank account you want to associate with the statement. If the account doesn't already exist, you can create a new one before continuing. Next, browse to the bank statement file you downloaded from your financial institution. If the statement has already been imported into QuickTracker, a warning message will appear to prevent duplicate imports. Otherwise, simply select the file, click Open, and then click Next. You will then be asked whether the statement is for a credit card account. Select Yes if you're importing a credit card statement, or No if you're importing a checking or savings account. This question is important because QuickTracker processes credit card transactions differently from regular bank account transactions. By identifying the account type, the program can classify and organize your income and expenses more accurately. Once you've completed these steps, QuickTracker will import your transactions and prepare them for review, categorization, and any additional edits you may want to make before saving them to your database. Once your bank statement has been imported, you can review every transaction before saving it to your database. To help you quickly distinguish between transaction types, income transactions are highlighted in green, while expense transactions appear in the default color. At this stage, you can edit transaction descriptions, verify the imported information, assign or change categories, select vendors, customers, or employees, and make any other necessary adjustments before saving transactions to your database. If you need to create a new category, vendor, customer, employee, or payment method while reviewing your transactions, you don't have to leave the Import wizard. Simply click the plus button next to the corresponding field, or select Add New at the bottom of the drop-down list. After saving the new item, it will immediately become available for selection. One of QuickTracker's most powerful features is that it learns from your previous selections. Many business transactions are recurring, such as payments to the same vendors, deposits from the same customers, or purchases that belong to the same expense category. As you continue using the program, QuickTracker can automatically suggest or remember those selections, making future imports much faster. You're always in control of what QuickTracker remembers. Whenever the program wants to save a new rule or association, a confirmation dialog will appear asking whether you'd like it to remember that selection for future imports. If you prefer not to see this confirmation every time, simply clear the checkbox in the lower left corner of the dialog to disable the prompt. You can still manage or update your remembered associations later if needed. Before saving your imported transactions, take a few moments to review them for accuracy. Making any necessary corrections now will help ensure your financial records remain organized and your reports are as accurate as possible. Another feature that makes QuickTracker a reliable bookkeeping solution is that you have complete control over which transactions are imported. Using the checkboxes on the left side of each row, you can select or deselect any transaction before it is saved to your database. QuickTracker will import only the transactions you have selected. Any unselected transactions will remain in the review window, allowing you to take a second look before making a final decision. If you choose not to import them, they will be discarded when you close the Review Imported Transactions window. This gives you the flexibility to import only the transactions you want while ensuring your financial records remain accurate and organized.